Hello and welcome to Exquisite Info, your how-to and information channel. My topic today is for the newbies, how you can create a YouTube account as well as then changing that account into having a channel like this or similar. And I'll also be guiding you how to add descriptions to your videos as well as uploading your videos and changing text for the videos as well as creating thumbnails for those videos. Please stick around and I'll guide you on a step-by-step tutorial. So for starters, before you can have a channel like this, you need to create a YouTube account. So all you do is click sign in on anywhere in YouTube, either youtube.com or any page you've opened, any channel. Click sign in on the right, and as you can see, if you already got a Gmail account, that's all you need. You need a Gmail account to run your YouTube. So if you already got an account, you can start your channel right away. And for those that don't have the account, so what you need to do is create an account in Google. So I'll make anything up. Ronaldo Messi. I don't even know if this is gonna work, but let's try. It means that if you've already got an account, just keep it. If you've already got an account with them, you can use that one. But instead, I'm gonna create new Gmail instead, because it makes it easier for you for the tutorial. Let's call it Ronnie 234. Anything, just want to make sure that it works. So now that we've done everything, we're gonna click next. I've done the password, everything. Click next, and it's working. That's good. So phone number, yep, you don't need to give that. It's optional. It's just to make sure that you can receive the account just in case you lose. Let's make any date of birth up. Right, gender, male. Next. Right, so you just need to agree to both of these statements. Confirm. And as you can see, it's loading. It's now going straight to YouTube. So we now have a YouTube account created. You'll see it changing now. So sign in. Should have already done it itself, but for some reason it was still there. But anyway, just click sign in. You don't need to give no password, nothing again. So that's my account. Ronaldo Messi that I've created in front of you, Ronnie and this that. So now we need to create a channel. My account is done. We need to now create a channel. So for that, all you do is click on create a channel and get started if you want to learn how it's done. So we'll just follow. Look, now this one here, it says, do you want to use the same username that you created your account with, Ronaldo Messi? Now that doesn't look very nice, does it? So if you want to change it, if you want to keep it, just click select. If you want to change it, let's change it and use a custom name. So I'm going to change it to something else. Let's call it Ronaldo Don. Yeah, who cares? I understand. Right, so you click on this one and create. And we'll wait for it to load. And it's now loaded. So your channel is ready. So this is the channel art part, your profile picture. So you've changed that. If you want to change, as you can see here, I've got Exquisite Info. That's the banner. So all this. Tell viewers what your channel is about. Give the description of your channel. Let's say this channel is about Ronaldo. Right, that's it. This is the channel description of video. So you can add your website if you have URL, your Facebook URL. So basically users can go into there directly, Twitter, Instagram, and so on. So save and continue, or you can set this up later. So let's save and continue. And now once everything is ready, we're now into the main page. So basically here you need to upload video. We don't have any videos there. It's a new channel, so we're just gonna upload a video. You can click here, or you can in there you see the plus sign. Sorry, let me just go back and show it to you. You can do it from there as well, just in case for the future. So you can just click this as well, create a video. So either that or from here. Let's just do it from there. Same thing, upload video. If you want to go live, you click live, go live, right? So upload video. So we're just gonna select a video that I've done earlier. Well, I've got it from somewhere, so I just need to upload just a test video, and as you can see it's uploading now. And while that is doing, look, as you can see, processing and everything, you can then add description. So like I said earlier, this video is about Ronaldo. Same thing, let's just do that. You know, who cares the spelling, you know. So now that the description is done, we are now into thumbnail part. Now thumbnail, you can choose the video thumbnail from here, or you can, you know, do your own one, which I'm not going to show you right now because it's a very long tutorial for that. You need to go to Google and type create thumbnail. It'll bring you to this page, canva.com, and in here you design it. There are plenty of videos on YouTube already, and I'll be making one for this as well. So just for this tutorial, we are gonna take this one as our thumbnail, and if you did your own thumbnail, then obviously you just click on this one, upload thumbnail, and it'll upload the new one you want. Now in this part, it's asking if this channel is for kids or this video. I'm simply gonna say no, it's not for kids, not made for kids, just for this. And in here is gonna have an option where it says more. You click on more and it brings you to this section here, add tags. So in here I'm just gonna type Ronaldo and then press enter, and then we type Messi, press enter. Make sure your tags are related to the video itself, and if possible do add your video title into the tags. It makes a big difference. Right, this is done. Now language for your video, so we're just gonna choose English. Right, that's somewhere here. Here is English United Kingdom. All done. Caption, if you want to add any caption in there. So license, standard license, everything else is done. I'm happy with everything, so we're just gonna click next, and it's done. Click if you want to add any end screen or for any other videos, you know, or say subscribe, you can do that from here. We'll do another short tutorial after. Click next, and once it's ready, just click public for it to go to public. I'm just going to keep this private for now. So as soon as you hit public, everyone can see it. Save, and that's our first video. Right, so we're going to go to our channel now, and when we enter our channel, here's our first video. So this was Exquisite Info doing a demonstration on how to create your own YouTube account as well as creating your channel. If you did like this video, please do click thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Goodbye for now.